Hi friends, I hope you're all having a great day. I know that you've been learning about hibernation in school. That's a big long word, isn't it? What does hibernation mean? That's right. That means when some animals sleep through the entire winter. They fill up their bellies with food in the fall and then they go to sleep or they go dormant for the 3 months of winter. That's the way God created them. They have to go to sleep in the winter because there's not enough food outside for them to survive. And one of the favorite animals that we've learned about that hibernates in the winter is the big brown bear. So today, I thought it would be fun if we read Bear Snores On together. Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. That mouse is finding shelter in the bear's cave. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great big den. They're all finding shelter in Bear's den, right? They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear Uh-oh. Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh, the bear woke up from that pepper fleck. What's gonna happen? The bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh. You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Oh, he's very sad, isn't he? He's sad that he missed a party in his very own lair. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Oh, that's nice. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. His friends were awake all night. And now it's the morning, they're tired. They want to sleep, but now Bear woke up and now he can't sleep. That was a silly book. So, what happened in this story to Bear? What happened? He woke up, right? A small pepper fleck woke him up. He sneezed. And what happened? At first, it looks like he was angry. Looks like he's upset that all of his friends are having a party in his den, or in his cave, his lair, the place where the bear was sleeping. Then what happens? He sees that they're having a party without him. But what did his friends say? That's right, they said, "Don't worry. We could make more food for you. We'll make more tea and we'll pop more corn for you. Don't worry." They didn't want to leave him out. Now that he was awake, they said, "Of course, we'll have a party with you now, Bear." It was very kind of his friends, wasn't it? Yeah. They didn't want to leave Bear out. We learned a lot of rhyming words in this story also, didn't we? So you could go back and listen to this story and listen to the words that sound the same, that have the same ending sound, words that rhyme. Great job, everybody. Have a happy day. Love you. Bye-bye.